Hello and welcome everyone to LearnAakash. And today we are going to learn about function. So let's start our function. So you can have a look that there are four ways to write a function. One does not take parameter and does not return value. One does not take parameter and returns value. And another one is takes parameter, does not return value, and takes parameter, returns value. So what is function? Function allows you to store a piece of code that does a single task inside a defined block and then call that code whenever you need it using a single short command. This avoids having to type out the same code multiple times. So let's have a look. The first thing you need to do is you need to declare the function, and after that you can call a function. So this is a simple program that a equals to 5, b equals to 5, c equals to a plus b, print equals to c. It means that it will just print the value of a plus b. Yep. Now all the codes are commented. That's why this didn't run. So now let's comment this one and uncomment this one to see how it works. Now to declare a function, you need to write the keyword def, after that the function name, after that the parentheses and semicolon, and everything inside that is called the function body. After that you can call a function like the function name with the parentheses. So this is called does not take parameter, does not return value, because there is no value and it does not return a value. So let's run this program. Now the another type of functions. Similarly, this one does not take parameter but it returns the value. So this one is the does not take parameter but returns type value function. So this resolves the value of c to the add function. When we call your add function, we store the value of this add function to the result, and after that we can print the result. So this is the another type of function. You can have a look. It works the same thing. So we also have another type of function. So another type of function is text parameter does not return value. You can have a look here that in this function add there is two parameters a comma b and it does not return value. You can see there is no return keyword. So when you call function add 5 comma 8, you need to provide the value to this type of function. So you can have a look. It's also the same thing. And our last function is text parameter and returns value. So you can see here it takes a two parameter a plus a comma b and it returns the value of c to the add function. So when you call the function, this one will be the value of c and it is stored in the result, and when you print the result it prints the value of a comma b, that is c. There you go. So these are the four types of functions that we can use while solving the problem. Thank you. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.